Hey everyone, I'm Brian Mackey, Product Manager for SolarWinds RMM, and I'm here to give you a quick update on all the releases we've put out in November. Now that it's December already, who can believe it? Okay, so we have enhanced the active issues area in RMM. This is where you can see all the failing checks and clear checks across clients and sites in a consolidated workflow, and you can access this from the left side navigation bar. Well, we've added a new client filter to this section so that you can now select one or many clients and sites. It supports multi-select so that you can drill down and look for exactly the cleared or failing checks from those particular customers using the other filters that you have available in the active issues workflow as well. So a real nice enhancement there to that active issues area of RMM. We've had a couple of patch management engine releases. We normally have one or two every month as we continue to enhance and evolve the patch management engine service. In this month, we've added support for the Windows 10 2020 H2 upgrade, so something that many of you had been waiting for and asking for. But what we've also done is we've enhanced the process through which we release feature upgrades for Windows. We now verify first that all the necessary metadata is there in position for that feature upgrade and then release it. And what this means is that it's a more robust and reliable feature upgrade install process with fewer failing installs. So a couple of nice improvements there to the patch management engine as we continue to work on that backend service. We have also improved the remote command line and PowerShell interface that's available through advanced remote background management. So just go to the remote background management button at the top of the north pane to initiate a background service where you can run PowerShell and command line prompts, and it feels much more as if you're on the endpoint with the same kind of interface. So some nice improvements there. Now, actually, what I'll do is hand you over to my colleague, Robbie Brisson. He's product manager for MSP Manager. He will take you through some improvements to our PSA solution. Robbie, over to you.
Thanks for the intro, Brian. I'd love to recap some of the recent features we released on MSP Manager. Starting with our knowledge section, we now have an inline viewer for passwords. You can click on the drop-down for a password and just reveal it by clicking the little eye icon. And if you have a knowledge type that has multiple passwords, they can all be seen in that single row. We also added a customer selector to the knowledge section. This enables you to drill down the list of items to a single customer much quicker and easily switch between them. When creating new articles from either within a customer or a specific knowledge type, those will be pre-filled within the new article, so you don't have to go and have multiple clicks and select them there. We've also made some enhancements to our unread responses. Adding a technician response to a ticket will clear all the existing unread responses. You can also multiple select tickets from our workspaces ticket list and mark all the responses as read in one go. Within a ticket, clicking the timestamp will toggle the unread or read response. And there's a single button to mark all responses as read as well. To round things off, we've also added Microsoft 365 mailbox monitoring support, which allows you to use the API via integration rather than IMAP. This uses event-driven API and gives you more or less real-time monitoring of your mailbox and allows you to have deeper security like 2FA enabled. We've also just recently released the ability to use your very own monitored mailbox as the notification or reply mailbox. So instead of having the on behalf of when getting emails sent out to your customer via the MSP Manager service, you can choose to use your own mailbox and enable whichever level of security you'd like, such as SPF with DKIM and DMARC. Thanks for having a look at our recent releases. Back to you, Brian.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Robbie. That's great. Okay, that's our wrap up for summary for November. As always, go to the release blog for all full details, screenshots, and everything around the releases that we've put out. And you can, of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And you will always get these release videos. And with that, thanks for listening. And we look forward to updating you again in 2021. Thanks. Take care.